Hello everybody, welcome to another video here on the 67 Mustang channel. So, a little different video type this time. So last weekend, I went and took the Mustang out for her first car show of the year. Had a good time, had a really good turnout, which was a bit surprising being the first show, and it was a little chilly, but it was gorgeous weather. So I thought I would take y'all along, show you some of the cars that are there. It's going to be a lot of still pictures fading in and out. They were playing a lot of music and things, so I didn't record any video because, well, copyright issues and you couldn't hear anything. Anyway, but a lot of neat cars out there, so let's go take a look at what was there. Of course, first step was just clean the old girl up, so here we are after giving her a bath and worked on cleaning her, wiping her down, and getting her all ready for the show so she'd be nice and pretty. And she looks good. Well, there you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Get to see some really neat cars out there of all makes and models. And that's one of the things I really love about going to car shows is the car community in general. There's such a wide breadth of different people, young and old, and black and white, and Hispanic and Asian, and all that we all just get together because we have this common love of vehicles. And all that other difference doesn't matter, right? So really cool. One thing I did want to point out, I've done a couple things to the car. Here I got the missing T, I don't know if you see it, here on the Mustang replaced because it had fallen off. Put a new pony badge over here. There was only like one prong holding that on. Also fixed the O on the hood that was loose. So done a couple of little minor things. Still have a lot of other work to do. I've got new window regulators to put in at some point. And I really need to do some basic maintenance of rotating the tires, adjusting and checking the brakes, and I might go ahead and break down and change the differential gear oil at some point. I got to thinking and talked to my dad, the original owner, and I don't think we've ever changed it. So when we got the car back in '87 and had driven it all the way back from New York, I don't think we did it all during when I had it in high school, and certainly while it sat we didn't, and I'm pretty sure the other family that owned it probably didn't do it either. Now, y'all may remember I did check the differential, so it does have oil, and I did top it off, but I never changed it. So maybe we'll do that as well. Also got to figure out why my wipers quit working, so it's always something. So with that, guys, hope you liked it. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video.